I have a lot of Kauai songs.
Yeah,
like
a couple for Hanalei and the area. Yeah,
Kauai songs have always so nice.
And you got a Molokai song, and then you got a Maui song.
Yeah, but my mom is from Kauai and my dad's from Molokai, so I like that. O Hanalei kualoha, kanania o Hanalei, hohihi ana oe I ko aloha la.
George Jared Helm recorded that album that he did just before we lost him in 1977. That's 35 years ago. And in 1996, I worked with a company, and we worked with your grandmother, and we got her approval, and we re-released it on compact disc on the 20th anniversary.
Wow.
That was in 1996, and that
I had no idea you were a part of that.
Yeah, I wrote the liner notes, and basically we brought the two albums back together into one CD package.
Wow.
So that was 1996, and then in 1999 I was at the Hawaii Theater. I was a judge for Frankie B's Aloha Festival's falsetto contest. And they said, oh, we're going to, because of the CD, we're going to do a tribute to George Jared Helm. And his niece is going to sing. She's only 15, and she's an amateur, but she's got a pretty good voice. So she comes out, and of course we all go, whoa.
Wait, I started off on the wrong key, by the way.
We never noticed.
I came up on the riser at Hawaii Theater.
Yeah.
I was so nervous. I was 15 years old. Who was it? Somebody said in the audience, I think Uncle Frankie B said, oh, she's 14, and Tony Conjugation in the audience said, no, she's 15.
Yeah.
Something like that. That was pretty fun.
Well, everyone said afterwards, this is the most promising vocalist. Because, you always have high expectations for new talent, but I never dreamed that 12 years later we'd be sitting here.
12 years later.
And you'd have all those accomplishments behind you already. And you're only 27, and you've done all this. So the fact that you've turned your attention to the music that basically inspired George Jared Helm and your father and mother, for you to be doing this music now is just, to me, heaven.